an excellent question about the fear of failure and how to overcome that. Mary, would you like to take a...
Yeah, okay, thank you. Because education is one of my passion, and that's the reasons why after 16 years staying in Singapore, I came back to Indonesia for good and built Mary Riana Education, especially for kids and teens, personal development. So I do relate with kids and teenagers nowadays. Of course, they have high aspirations, and yet at the same time, you know, the fear of failure. In fact, it's not just about fear of failure, fear of everything. You know, that's what I always tell all the people. You know, if you want to be successful, siapa di sini yang pengen sukses? Angkat tangan bilang saya. Okay, ya. If you want to be successful, then you need to know who is your greatest enemy. The enemy of success is not failure, because in fact, failure is a great friend of success. They always come together. Okay, but the enemy, your real enemy, is fear. Fear. Okay. Fear of failure, takut gagal, takut diomongin orang, takut malu, takut sakit hati lagi, takut rugi lagi, takut dimarahin mama, takut ngecewain diri sendiri. Semua, everything, all kind of fear. Okay, and why fear is the biggest enemy? Because of fear, you're not moving, you're not taking action. And when you're not taking action, there's no results. Okay, so that is your biggest enemy that you have to overcome. Okay, so I talk about fear first before fear of failure. Okay, so how to overcome fear? So fear actually is just a feeling. If you watch Inside Out, anyone here watch Inside Out? One of the best movie. Okay, totally recommended. So I think the feeling is something that is neutral, is something that is given, is something for us to manage. Okay, so I always tell even my daughter and my kids also, bravery is equal to fear. So there is fear inside bravery, but then the formula is not enough. So I always write down my formula: bravery equals to fear plus action plus commitment. So that's brave. Even though you have fear, but you still take action and you are committed to it until it succeeds. That's bravery. Okay, so when you know the essence of bravery, then you can embrace the feeling of fear, because it's just human, it's natural, it's okay. In fact, you know, it's important for us to have fear. Imagine, bayangin hidup nggak punya ketakutan, ya kan? Kita akan macam-macam, you know, because if we fear that we do not pass the exam, that's why we study, right? So it's important, that's why, to manage that fear. Okay, so that's one thing, how to manage fear. And the second thing about failure, so normally I also explain, especially to the teenager, okay, the mindset of a failure is extremely important. So when you have a chance for you to compete, so basically kalau kalian bertanding, nggak dijamin menang, betul? Okay, it does not guarantee you to win, but if you don't compete, it guarantees you that you lose. Okay, so why not give yourself a chance? And what is better than winning? Learning is better than winning. So even if you don't win, but you learn a lot, basically you gain a lot. Okay, so this is what I always told, especially for my kids as well. You know, my son is 13 years old. He loves playing chess. Okay, and as a beginner, he has a chance for him to actually play chess with a lot of other people who are more seniors. Okay, now kalau saya kasih ilustrasi biar gampang pakai bahasa Indonesia. Kalian di sini siapa yang suka main badminton? Main badminton ya. Sekarang kalian punya pilihan untuk tanding. You have a choice to choose your opponent. Okay, number one, your choice is to compete against your brother, who for sure you know you will win. Udah pasti menang, karena kamu pasti lebih jago. Or second choice, you have an option to play against Susi Susanti, the legend, right? Okay, atau Gracia Polly. That most likely, I think you will lose because they are gold medalists, right? So which one will you choose? You know, compete with your brother or compete with Gracia Polly or Susi Susanti? Susi Susanti, even though you know you will lose. Why you still choose to play with Susi Susanti? Because it's an experience, it's a once in lifetime opportunity. Okay, so that's what I always tell, especially all the kids. If you have an opportunity, don't be afraid. What is better than winning? Learning is better than winning. What's the point of you winning someone that is so easy to win and you don't learn anything, compared to you lose against someone, a legend, but you learn so much during that match. So that's hopefully it can help. Thank you.
Banyak banget orang yang nanya ke saya, Miss Mary gimana sih caranya untuk bisa termotivasi setiap hari? Penasaran? Sini. Caranya, download aplikasi Mary Riana. Karena saya percaya banget, seperti apa kamu 5 tahun mendatang, itu amat sangat dipengaruhi dari dengan siapa kamu bergaul, apa yang kamu tonton, apa yang kamu baca, apa yang kamu dengar. Semua itu amat sangat berpengaruh. Makanya penting banget kamu untuk bisa mengisi semua itu dengan hal-hal yang positif. Dan itulah alasan kenapa saya menciptakan apps Mary Riana. Ada semuanya lengkap. Ada video-video, ada audio.
Saya percaya saya bisa mencapai impian, saya bisa.
Ada quotes, ada artikel. Pokoknya semua lengkap isinya untuk kamu dan semuanya tentu saja sangat positif. Nah jadi buat kamu nih yang selama ini suka nanya ke saya, Miss Mary, apa nih kata-katanya hari ini? Quotes of the day. Semuanya juga sudah ada di aplikasi Mary Riana. Kabar baiknya hari ini saya juga ingin membagikan satu hal yang spesial untuk kamu, yaitu sebuah buku gratis. Buku ini semoga bisa membantu kamu untuk berani bermimpi besar, berani untuk mengambil langkah untuk mencapai mimpi-mimpi tersebut. Langsung aja segera download aplikasi Mary Riana, udah ada di Play Store, ada juga di App Store. Awali harimu bersama Mary Riana.
Laksana bumi tanpa hujan, hidup tanpa tujuan, kering dan mati tanpa hijaunya tumbuhan. Demikian kalau mimpi tak kunjung terjadi.